There's no denying the cozy and intimate atmosphere a fire pit can bring to a yard or outdoor space. Here are some reasons why installing a fire pit in your yard should be your next home addition. Adds charm and ambience. A well-designed fire pit can add style and character to your yard, making it look more inviting and cozy. It can serve as a focal point for gatherings or as a simple escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Extends outdoor living. A fire pit is perfect for those who love the outdoors and want to make the most out of their time. It not only keeps you warm on chilly evenings, but it also makes it possible to extend the time you spend outside. Increases property value. A well-built fire pit not only adds charm and style to your yard, but it can also boost your home's value. Easy to customize. It can be customized to suit your preferences and needs. The possibilities are endless. Promotes relaxation and distressing. Lastly, a fire pit can promote many health benefits from outdoor heating to the smell of burning wood. It's been said to reduce stress levels, promote relaxation, and help lower blood pressure. From extending your yard's use, adding value to your home, and promoting relaxation and distressing, a fire pit is a versatile addition to any outdoor space. With so many different designs and options, choosing a fire pit that suits your style and purpose would be easy, allowing you and your family to have more cozy evenings with lasting memories. Let Paramount Lawn and Landscape install a stunning fire pit that will be the perfect gathering spot for family and friends. From design to installation, we've got you covered. Contact us today to schedule your consultation.